Hello everyone, welcome to Bekky Animal Farming. Are you looking for a simple agribusiness that doesn't require much capital, space or stress, but can give you real income? Then, rabbit farming might be the perfect place to start. Today, we are going to talk about something practical, profitable and surprisingly simple, rabbit farming. Now, you might be wondering, why rabbit farming? Why not goats or chickens? Well, that's exactly what we are going to discuss. In today's video, I will be introducing you to rabbit farming. You will learn why it's a smart business, what you need to start, and how to choose the right focus for your rabbit farm, whether it's for meat, pets, or organic manure. Section 1. Why rabbit farming is a smart agribusiness. Rabbit farming is one of the easiest and most rewarding agribusiness ventures you can start today, anywhere, even in your backyard. Why? Let's look at some key reasons. Low startup cost. You don't need millions of naira to start. With just a small investment, you can get a male rabbit and 2 or 3 females and begin your journey. Fast reproduction. Rabbits multiply very quickly. A single female can give birth to 6 to 10 kids, baby rabbits, in one pregnancy, and can do this several times a year. Multiple income streams. You can sell rabbits for meat, as pets, or even sell their droppings as organic fertilizer. That's 3 possible ways to earn from one animal. Minimal space needed. Unlike goats or cows, rabbits don't need a large farmland. You can rear them right in your backyard, in cages, in hutches. So whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, rabbit farming is an easy way to start small and grow big. Section 2. What do you need to start? You don't need a big farm or expensive tools. Just a small space, like your backyard or a corner of your compound, is enough. Another reason rabbit farming is so attractive is because you can begin with very little. All you need is space. Just a small space, like part of your compound, backyard, or unused shed, is enough to set up a few cages. Capital. With a modest budget, you can buy your first rabbits, build a simple hutch, and buy feed for the first few weeks. Basic tools. You don't need fancy machines, a wooden or metal cage, feeding trays, water containers, and a shaded area are enough to get started. And of course, healthy rabbits. There is no need to wait for a big loan or a big plot of land. The key is to start where you are and grow step by step. Section 3. Choosing your focus, meat, pets, or manure. Before you begin, ask yourself, why am I going into rabbit farming? Your answer will guide your path. Are you raising rabbits for meat? Choose fast-growing breeds like New Zealand White or Californian. Planning to sell rabbits as pets? Go for calm and attractive breeds like Dutch or loop-eared rabbits. Want to focus on organic fertilizer? Their droppings are rich in nutrients and perfect for farms and gardens. You can even combine all 3, depending on your goals and market. Section 4. What's coming in the rabbit farming journey? This video is just the introduction. In the full series, we will take you step by step through the rabbit farming journey. How to choose the best breeds, how to build a rabbit hutch, what to feed for fast growth, how to prevent diseases, how to breed your rabbits, how to sell for profit, and how to turn waste into money. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to expand, this series will guide you all the way. Rabbit farming is not just a hobby, it's a smart agribusiness anyone can achieve, regardless of age, background, or location. Rabbit farming is a low-cost, low-risk, high-reward business. With the right mindset and the step-by-step guidance we will share, you can build something great. And guess what? You can start today. So are you ready to begin your rabbit farming journey? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in this series. Let's help you grow your farm one rabbit at a time. See you in the next video.